Okay. So poster making. The writing skills, as you know, comes in section B, and this is a short composition for 4 marks. Poster making, as it is written here, is a creative expression of information. It is a useful means of communication as it holds all the information with less text and more artistic appeal. Okay, that is what is the difference in it. It will have less text and it will have more artistic appeal. It should be eye-catching, okay, and attractive to people. The visual should be relatable to the theme. Yes, you cannot be simply drawing whatever you like. It should be definitely relate to the theme to convey the message. Choice will be given to attempt one question out of the given 2 short answer type questions based on any of the following. That means section B, the first question, the question number 3 will be short answer type, short composition, and in that you will have choices like this. It can be advertisement making, it can be notice writing, formal or informal invitation and reply, and poster making. Any 2 will come as a choice and you can choose. You can choose the one which you have studied. So if poster making comes, you can choose that or whatever is comfortable. But let me tell you, poster making should not be, you should check on the time spent for poster making. Some of you are really good artists, and what happens when you start doing the poster, you spend more time in the visuals, okay, to make it more appealing. You start drawing it and you spend more time on that, which is not actually very advisable. So otherwise, if you know how to manage time and do it, it's only a 4-mark question, you can definitely choose a poster. The marking scheme goes like this. The format, that is the title and name of the issuing authority, which is very important. It carries 1 mark. The content is 2 marks. Okay, whatever you have written, that is the important part of the poster. The expression and creativity carries 1 mark. Okay, that is the grammatical accuracy, spellings, all those things will be looked into. And total, it is only a 4-mark question. As I told you, if you know to manage your time well, you can go for a poster making. Otherwise, you should be going for the other short composition, which the other option which is given. The introduction, can I ask one of you to read it? Okay. Sefi, can you read? Sefi is unmuted. Can you read, Sefi? Sefi? I can see you unmuted yourself. Can you read? Aditya Manoj, can you unmute and read? Aditya Manoj.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What happened? Yes, please read the introduction.
A poster is meant to convey some important information to a large number of people. It is a means of advertising or publicizing something on a large scale. It has to be attractive and eye-catching, preferably with illustrations.
Okay, so I think it is all clear, and as I told you, you have seen many posters in your life. You have done it right from the lower classes, so it is nothing new to you. But still, the introduction was given just for making it more clear. Thank you, Aditya.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay, Aparna, can you just unmute yourself and read this? What is a poster?
A poster is a card or placard carrying some announcement, advertisement, sales promotion, political campaign, social awareness, warnings, sentiments, patriotism, opening ceremonies, announce classes or courses, etc. A good poster at once catches the attention of the readers. A poster should have striking design and ornate work.
Okay, can you just tell me of a reason, something of a social awareness, the poster which will be right in this scenario? What is a poster which will be looked for, or people are looking, or it is being, the poster is released for, the current scenario? What can be the poster which you have seen?
like on the pandemic
Exactly,
COVID-19.
exactly. Okay, so the awareness, creating the awareness, how you should keep yourself clean, cleanliness, all those healthy tips and all will be there in posters. You might have all seen that. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Types of posters. Archa, can you just read? Can you unmute and read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
There are mainly two types of posters. Ones which create awareness, example cyber security, the importance of trees or water, right to education, need to follow safety rules, consumer rights, etc. B. Ones which announce an event, example a feat, a blood donation camp, literacy week, etc.
Okay, so the two types of poster, I've just given you some, two samples also. This is again on the present scenario, as I told you about the COVID-19 virus. Okay, so it creates awareness. Okay, so some topics are generally given. It can be on cyber security, the importance of water, right to education, how the need to follow the safety rules, or consumer rights. Just a few examples. It can be on any of this which creates a social awareness or creates awareness among the public. And as of now, as Aparna also told, this is what is the important poster now which is going on, that is about the COVID-19 virus. And the second one is again announce an event. It can be a fete, a blood donation camp, literacy week. It is again something which you organize for a purpose of charity. Okay, the money collected by organizing an event which completely goes to a charity is a fate, and a blood donation camp, again, you know the purpose, literacy week. I've just given you a sample of that also. Now when these type of posters are being made, you should be very particular in including the information like the time, date, okay, and if there is a registration fees or the amount to be collected, or the what is that entry fee, and all some details like that should be entered. Okay, thank you, Archa. Aditya, Aditya Raj, Aditya Raj, are you there?
Yeah, hi, ma'am.
Yeah, please read, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
For the second type, announce the event, mention the venue, the date, and the time of the event. Provide any other relevant information.
Okay. 1 minute, 1 minute. I think we missed on this. You read this also, Aditya. Yeah. Aditya.
Format.
Ah.
For both the types, give the poster an appropriate title.
Yes.
Short and catchy phrases.
Yes.
Vary the font style and size.
Exactly.
Add simple drawings and illustrations. Mention the name of the organization issuing the poster. Present the poster within a box.
As you read the marking scheme in the beginning, the title and the issuing authority carries 1 mark. So both should be there. Okay. Then the rest is the content and then the expression. So here the name of the organization or the issuing authority should be definitely mentioned. And for the second one, Aditya, read this also. The second type of where you're organizing a blood donation camp or something.
Okay, ma'am. For the second type,
yes,
announce the event.
Yes.
Mention the venue, the date, and the time of the event.
Okay.
Provide any other relevant information.
Provide any other relevant information. Thank you so much. And we move on to the, what do you call, the main features. Okay. Akash, will you be able to read? Akash?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you just read the slide out, please?
Main features: layout, visually attractive or eye-catching. Ma'am, title, suggestive or catchy. Use slogan, jingle or short verse. Example: speed thrills but kills. Sketch or simple drawings, matchstick figures, letters of different size and shape. Then proportionate spacing, proportionate headings and illustrations, etc.
Okay, thank you so much, Akash. I could find the mistake, that title one. Yeah, I will just definitely edit it. Okay, so the layout should be visually attractive, eye-catching. That is what all of us will get attracted to the poster. You feel like going and reading it. The title should be really suggestive. It should be having a catchy, it should be a catchy title, okay, to attract the attention of the readers. Then use slogans or jingle. You have heard the speed thrills but kills, like jingles like for Kit Kat. What is the jingle for Kit Kat? Have a break. right? Have a break, have a Kit Kat. So that is the jingle. Or any short verse, because it attracts, okay? And for any sale of any commodity, they use this jingles. So that should be used here also. Sketch or simple drawings. If you're not good at, all of us may not be good artists to draw a figure completely and all. If you're not good at that, you can use the matchstick figures also. Just some samples are given. So this is easy for all of us to draw. I told you we will not waste much time on illustrations because, you know, it's only a 4-mark question and you have to manage your time accordingly. The letters should also be of different size and shape. The title should be different. The jingles or what you're adding should be different. So that catches the attention of the readers. That is, the font can be different, and spacing also. It should not be a lot of information, you know, crowded and put into a poster. You should give enough spacing, proper proportionate or proper headings and illustrations. Thank you, Akash. Alvin, can you please read? Alvin Verghese? Alvin Verghese? Yes.
Main features. Contents. The theme or subject of the poster. A message or an appeal to create awareness. Description or details associated with the theme. Essential details like time, date, venue for an event. Name of issuing authority or organization.
Okay, so the theme or the subject, whatever it is related to, should be there in the content. The people should be able to understand, okay, this is what the theme is. The message or the or an appeal to create awareness. Yes, a request. If it's a request to create awareness, that should be put forward. Description or details associated with the theme. Okay, that also should be included in the poster. And then time, date, and venue. If it is a poster, if you're announcing a upcoming event, these things should be taken into care. And then, as I told you, name of issuing authority or the organization is very important. Thank you so much. Imad? Imad?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please, could you please read?
Expression, phrases, slogans, persuasive language, creativity in terms of content and design, overall organization and sequencing of the matter. Observe word limit 50 words.
Okay, thank you. And this one is very important, the word limit. For a poster making, the word limit is 50 words. It will be given in the question, but please adhere to it. So don't overcrowd or put lot of information and see at the end the word limit will not be taken care of. So that should not happen. Stick or adhere to the word limit of only 50 words. That should be taken care. Other things we have discussed before. Thank you, Imad. And yes, Arunima, can you just please read? Arunima?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Points to take care.
Yeah.
Use captions, use of slogans, logo or emblem or symbols, pictures, diagrams or sketches. Message should be short and sweet. Telegraphic language, content, informations or details, statistics or figures. Speciality, brain tickling and eye-catching, open-ended questions.
So this is just the general thing, which is again put in a nutshell like thing, and it will be, the PPT is going to be uploaded, so you get all the information in the Google Classroom. The do's and don'ts. Madhav, can I hear you, Madhav? Madhav. Madhav is not there? Sanjay?
Yes, ma'am.
Madhav, you will check on your mic, huh? Okay. So, Sanjay, please read.
It should not strictly exceed the prescribed word limit of 50 words.
Yes.
It should be in a box outline. Make sure you check for grammatical accuracy and spelling. They carry marks. Make sure it fits within one page only. Use sharpened pencils. Bold or underline important information. Practice previous year question paper questions.
Okay, thank you, Sanjay. So again, with 50 words, word limit, it is again, told again so that you remember that. And then here again, one more thing, the short composition always goes in a box. You need to draw an outline for that. So that means you won't do half in one page and the next in the other page. Okay. If you have space left in one page, also leave it and take a fresh page, draw the outline or draw the box properly and put in the short composition. Anything, whatever, even if it is a notice, you will put in a box. So outline should be clearly drawn. Then grammatical accuracy and all we discussed and fits within one page. Again, it's a 50-word poster making short composition will not exceed more than one page. So it has to be fitted in that page. And then board exams, you will use sharpened pencils. Okay, pencil or pen, preferably pencil to draw. Don't think you will take color pencils and make all that colorings and all. Not at all required. Pencil drawing is more than enough. Okay. And bold or underline the important information. Yes, this is how you can highlight the things, make it bold or underline the information. And definitely for practice, previous year question papers are important and you need to practice more and more questions. Okay. Thank you, Sanjay. Can I move to Sudarshan? Sudarshan. Sudarshan. Sudarshan is not responding. That means Sudarshan is absent. Sia, can you read, Sia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No use of short forms or slang. It is not acceptable. Don't exceed the prescribed word limit. Do not spend much time on illustration.
Okay, you know the WhatsApp language, you all have the habit, not only you, we all have the habit of using this language in our writing skills. Okay, please avoid that. Please refrain from using this short forms or slangs or the WhatsApp or the other language which you use. Make it complete and write it in a preferable way because the other one is not acceptable. Okay. Thank you, Sia. These are some sample posters. I just want you to have a look. You might have seen this before also. It is not nothing new. Just a sample poster and you don't have to stick to it, but just to get an idea. Okay, there is a title. And you see different colors are used. I told you in the board exams, no color pencils and all. You will just highlight or make it bold. And then the pictures also very simple. Everybody knows to draw a drop of water. Okay, anyone can do it. So it is not that you have to be really a very great artist to do it. Anyone can do. Stick on to that. See that the issuing authority, see National Agricultural Organization. So the title and the issuing authority together will give you 1 mark. Then 2 marks for your content and your illustration. And then the 1 mark goes for your expression, your mistake, grammatical accuracy, fluency, all those things. So see, it is very simple, attractive. So we will just see one or more samples also. This is again, there's a lot of information is put into it. You don't have to go with this much, but just to give you an idea. Okay, so how to save earth, reduce, reuse, recycle, and all these are some of the common topics repeatedly asked. That's why this sample is shown to you. And one more thing, yeah, this is preserving the wildlife here, especially the tiger, and is issued by Ministry of Environment and Forest. And this is the latest one, what is going on, COVID-19 prevention. Okay, social awareness, how to prevent or how to keep yourself safe, stay safe and stay healthy. So these are some of the instructions to create social awareness, which has come as a poster. So these are 2 types of poster which is given. And then this is again very important for adolescents especially. Don't hug the drug, it will suck your blood. And then some pictures, these and all are easy ones which you can draw. Okay, I don't know, this also you will do because you all are biology students, no? Biology, computer science and all, I think you can draw a skull and all, fine. If it is not possible also, leave it, no problem. But the other things you can draw. The issuing authority, that is the Drug Control Society, New Delhi has issued it. The title is also there. Different fonts they have used to make it attractive. Illustrations are also there. Again, this is for an event. Okay, the Kendriya Vidyalaya is organizing a Diwali Mela. They're given the dates, the time, the entry ticket amount to be paid, the activities which will attract you to that Mela, and all those details are there. And this is the issuing authority. Kendriya Vidyalaya is the issuing authority in this. So this is the second type of poster. Now, these are some topics which usually I told you repeatedly asked, like conservation of water. I will ask Aditya Rajesh, can you just read it?
Hello.
Yes, Aditya Rajesh, I can hear you. Can you please read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Conservation of water. Suggest ways to conserve water. Campaign against drugs. Say no to drugs. Blood donation camp organized by school. Make a poster about book week organized by your school. Diwali Mela organized by school. Ways to prevent pollution. Harmful effects of plastics.
So these are just, thank you, Aditya. These are few topics given. Just work on it because and now you have time. See, the more you practice, the more you will be thorough with the topic. So 4, 5, 6, how many got the 3, 6, 7 topics are given? Just try to practice. There's nothing, I mean, all these topics you're well, you know all these topics. So just try to prepare some posters and keep yourself ready. If it comes, I told you, without spending much time, you can easily do it and score full 4 marks. Okay, without any debate, you will get 4 marks. That is sure. So you can do it. Now, I have 2 assignments for you, which you will note down now. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to note the question. And I know you people are very smart. You may take a photo of this and keep also, whatever it is. Now, this is related to Tiger King. After Tiger King, we had decided to give you a poster. How to save the tiger. That is the main idea. 50 words, appealing to the people, and you are the secretary of the Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. So you are the issuing authority, and it is a board question. Just come in the boards. So I want you to quickly write down, or smart work, pick whatever it is. Otherwise, the solution is, we will be uploading it today. So you can, Google Classroom, it needs to be done. Now, let me remind you one thing, 12A and 12B. Tiger King, we had uploaded an MCQ. It was a trial error thing. Like, I know there was a true and false question with a third option, like other something came and many of you made mistake. Still, the point what I want to tell is many of you did not do it. I had to, 12B, I had to personally message everyone to do it. So that should not happen. When an assignment is posted, please do it. Is it clear, children? 12A, I'm not sure. I need to take a feedback from Beena ma'am. Otherwise, an assignment, you can spend hardly 10 minutes. It was required to do the MCQ. So please don't make the class teacher to send you personal messages. Do it and submit. Clear? So this one, again, you will draw it in the poster making will be done in the notebook. As of my knowledge, all of you have got your notebooks. Please do it in a notebook and keep it. So when we are doing the correction, we will just tell you to send a pic. You need to send it. Okay. So I hope when it is uploaded, you will copy the question. There is one more question, that is how to inculcate reading habits. Reading habits are dying like anything. People hardly read. So we thought we need to give you a assignment on this also. Again, it was once asked in the board. So please do this also. Okay. I just need to do a recap of My Mother at 66, the poem which we had done before. Okay, I need some chat. Okay, should I repeat the lesson again, or can I just go with the little, just drill you with some questions and give you the assignment? How do you feel? Should I redo it? You can answer me in the chat quickly. Should I redo the poem that is Mother at 66? No need to redo, ma'am. Only one person. No, ma'am. So I can just go with some questions. Summary you need. Okay, fine. Okay, okay. Fine, I'll go with the summary and then I will ask some questions, and there is an assignment going to be uploaded. That's what I wanted to tell, and you will do it 2 days. 2 days is maximum. You should be doing it today. That is the best thing, but still, you may have other classes also, so I don't want to trouble you. Okay. Amrita, can you just read the key points, Amrita Nair?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, very audible. Read.
Okay. Key points. Poetess traveling to Cochin Airport with her mother in a car. Looks at the wan, pale face of her dozing mother. Realizes she's aged and fears of losing her to death. To overcome the disturbing thoughts, looks out of the window. Sees sprinting trees and merry children spilling out of their homes. It shows the contrast, that is youth, vigor, liveliness, enthusiasm, energy, exuberance, in contrast to her mother's dull, lifeless, frail appearance, and gives her relief. After the security check, the old familiar ache of childhood returns, the fear of getting separated from her mother. Tries to hide her emotions of fear, anxiety, helplessness by putting on a smile. Bids goodbye to her mother in the hope of seeing her again soon.
Okay. Thank you, Amrita. Gada, can you just read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Summary. In this poem, the poet describes her feelings of love and attachment towards her aging mother. One last Friday morning, the poetess was driving from her parents' home to the Cochin airport. Her mother was sitting beside her in the car. She suddenly had a look at her mother. She found that her mother was dozing with her open mouth. Her face was as pale as that of a corpse. The poet painfully realized that her mother is not going to live long. This painful thought haunted her. But soon she tried to put it off by looking out of the car window. She saw the young trees running past them. She looked at the merry children coming out of their homes. As she saw life and vitality in the outside world, the painful thought passed away from her mind.
Okay, thank you, Gada. Favas, are you available, Favas? Favas. Akhila, can you please read?
After reaching the airport, she went through the security check. Her mother was standing outside a few yards away. After the security check, she looked at her mother again. Her face was pale, white like a late winter's moon. She felt the old familiar ache of childhood in her heart, which is usually felt by a child due to the fear of separation from his or her mother. But she contained herself and kept on smiling in order to conceal her emotions. She spoke no word to her mother. All that she said was, "See you soon, Amma," and bade goodbye to her mother with the hope to see her again.
Thank you, Akhila. I think those who had asked for the summary, it's clear. So now something I'm going to ask you, just I'll be asking the question. Now this chat will be saved. So I want the responses. We are 57 now. Yeah, with one absent, 57. So irrespective of somebody answers or not, all of you will answer the question. It will be saved and we will have a check who is responding. Is it clear? Now you can tell me mic is not working, but chat is not working will not be an excuse taken. Clear? Can I get some reactions to know that it is clear? No thumbs up, nothing coming. 30, 31 responded. 5, 35. 58, I'm waiting for a response. This is another way of taking attendance, huh? 43 have responded. 45. 46. 47. Quick, quick. Okay, so the first question, all will answer, I told you. Name the poet, quickly. You're very good, your typing speed and all is very good, so just go on doing. 58 on call, yes. Getting it, getting it. Hey, one person, who is that? Somebody is with the Tiger King. Let me wait. Huh? Let me see. Okay. So I hope I will be checking. 58 of you, 57 of you, I'll be checking. Okay. The poet was going to. She was going to some place. Where was the poet going to? See, always complete answer is good. Huh? Okay. Jemima. Jemima. Okay. The poet's name is not that. And Aaron, you can write only the keywords. That is enough. No need to type the whole sentence. Fine, fine. Very good. Go on doing it. Those are not finished. Okay. In the beginning, the poetess compares her mother. She tells that her mother looked pale like something. There is a simile used and she is comparing her mother's condition to something. In the beginning, I told Aditya Manoj, not in the end, in the beginning. Some of you are writing what is she is compared to something in the end, in the beginning. Yes, I'm getting correct answers. Jarin, not the second part, the first part, please answer. That is second part of the story. First part. Okay, seeing her mother, or she has compared her mother to something, she realizes with pain, or she feels that her mother has really grown. Dash. After comparing her mother to something, she understands or realizes with pain that her mother has grown. Yes, I'm getting the answer. Very good. Good, good. You are with me. Very good. To put that painful thought away, what did the poet do? Okay, somebody has a problem to connect with the Google Meet. Who is that? Who is telling me that? Okay, Akarsh. Akarsh, you can continue. No problem. I understand. You can move out. No problem. So to put that painful thought out, what did the poet do? Yes. I got only one answer from Kanza. No, no. Yeah, coming. Yes, yes, yes. She did something first and then she sees something. Okay. Malvika, you are answering the second part. What did she do first? To come out from the thought, she's doing something. That should be the first answer. Okay. And then she sees two things. Mention that also. She sees two things when she looks out. Yes, I'm getting the answer. She sees two things. Two things, I told Fatima, two things. And in the end, the poet is just the word smile and smile and smile is being repeated. I mean, smile and smile and smile is written. What is the poetic device used there? When the poet tells she just smiles and smiles and smiles, the poetic device. Yes. With that, I think we come to the end. It's already time. Thank you, children. It will be taken care of. The chat will be saved. And those who are not responding, I will have to, I mean, you need to please cooperate and respond. Today, the poster making will be uploaded. Check on the questions, start doing it. And my mother at 66 also will be uploaded, most probably today or tomorrow. Do the MCQs and see that I get the marks. Okay, in the beginning, I'm not sure how to get the marks. So please, if I'm asking for the marks, just respond. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.